Preview. Welcome to Users Productions. This video will demo how to repair Apple EarPods with TRRS connector with Apple 3.5mm jack wiring method. Please click the sales links items in this video to buy the items in below video description to support me. Says 3.5mm 4-pole TRRS male construction plug. Repair headphone jack audio soldering JCX 5-pack. This plug is best for this video repairing. https://amazon/3wvvhyi. Step 01. Insert the jack case in the cable. Step 02. Cut the cable. Step 03. Identify the cable. Strength fiber. Green, left audio. Green plus gold, left audio ground. Red, right audio. Red plus gold, right audio ground. Gold, microphone. Inside green, red shielding wire. Green, red shielding wire, microphone ground. Step 04. Use lighter and your mouth. Burn out insulating coating by lighter. And stop the fire at correct location. By your blowing mouth. Remark, no saliva. Step 05. Cut the strength fiber. Cut and remain 1.5 mm burned out wire for soldering. Step 06. Twist green plus gold, left audio ground. Red plus gold, right audio ground. Green plus red microphone ground. 3 times ground wires and 1 times ground wire. Please click like, subscribe, comment this video. Step 07. Use solder paste to heat the 1.5 mm soldering points. Preparing for soldering. Step 08. Use soldering iron to make the wire heat enough to make the solder dissolve in wire. Remark. 1. You can add little solder paste to wire before soldering. 2. Remove the solder on solder iron. If solder is overheated by solder iron by long time, overheated solder is difficult to soldering. 3. Don't overheated wire by long time. It will destructure. Insulator and part of wire. Cut out part of wire may need. Please click the sales links items in this video to buy the items in below video description to support me. Cardis Audiophile Quality Quad Eutectic Silver Solder, 11-foot spool, for your DIY hi-fi stereo system. Cardis Audiophile Quality Silver Solder is best for all hi-fi level soldering. Sales link, https://amazons/30h7yfg. Step 09. Use soldering iron to make the soldering point. Heat enough to make the solder dissolve in point metal. Remark. 1. You can add little solder paste to soldering point before soldering. 2. Remove the solder on solder iron. If solder is overheated by solder iron, by long time, overheated solder is difficult to soldering. 3. Don't overheat it. 3.5mm jack by. Long time, it will distort your insulator. In jack, replacement of jack may need. Step 10. Use soldering iron. To melt the solder already dissolved on both wire and soldering point. To make them together in correct location. Apple 3.5mm jack wiring. 3 times ground, 1 wire, red, right audio, green, left audio, gold, microphone. Step 11. Place the wire on holder sleeve. Use long nose pliers to close the holder sleeve. Remark: this is not a long nose pliers in this video. If solder contact to jack case after close the jack case, cut the solder. It will shorting 3 times ground to microphone wiring. Step 12. Close the jack case. Please click the sales links items in this video to buy the items in below video description to support me. Pinnacle Smart Mini Portable Soldering Iron Small. Pinnacle is a small portable soldering iron best for all soldering. It is a wireless USB-C battery charging soldering iron. Sales link: https://amazon/3ujaqrd. Please click like, subscribe, comment this video.